what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And guys, as you know, I'm on my journey towards passing my first prop firm challenge and to become profitable. And guys, I'm documenting my journey on YouTube. Guys, as you know, I blew my first prop firm challenge. This is one next one that I had, but I'm getting rebuild, and I will get a new account. And when I get this new account, guys, I will be breaking down. I'll continue documenting my journey to passing my first prop firm. But as I had this one, guys, I took a trade on this account, and going to be breaking down this trade or the AM session trades for the morning. So, guys, as you know, we come in at the on the charts at 7. When I came into this chat on the chat, guys, I saw this happening. I see price came up, came down, made this low. We had this equal lows here, but guys, I'm more looking at swing lows. So this wouldn't have been a swing low for me, guys, because this here doesn't have a lower low and a lower low on the each side. Like this would be a swing low. We have a lower low here and a lower low here. So this will be a swing low. This will be a swing high. This will be a swing high. So this would have been relative equal highs, but guys, I didn't take the trade up to this. So then trade price started trading higher, and this is where I saw this beautiful equal highs here. And then price made these equal highs and then came down, made these equal lows. Then price shot up, took out these equal highs. So I was watching when price took out these equal highs to see if price was willing to trade above these equal highs, these relative equal highs. But price instead broke down with displacement. And guys, that's what you want to see. Displacement with one, two, three fair value gaps. Three fair value gaps. So guys, I was already anticipating these gaps to be breakaway gaps. With this momentum breaking here, having a market structure shift right here, break down with momentum. Guys, when I saw this, I was not anticipating price to go up back to this fair value gap. Or if it went up back to this fair value gap, I didn't want to see it fill this fair value gap. I wanted to see the upper portion, the upper half stay open. So guys, I actually took my trade when price came into this fair value gap right here. I took 7 contracts or 8 contracts. Not I'm not sure. I do not remember how much I took, but that's not the point here. We're just breaking down the trade. So when price came in here, I took a trade, and then price moved down a bit and then went up. I could have put on a next contract here because this is where I really wanted to see price come back through, but not filling it. But I wanted to make sure I was filled, so I took my trade right here. And when price came in here, immediately price displaced down. Immediately displaced down. So that showed me bearish momentum. And if I had more contracts, I would have taken a next trade here. That would be my second entry. And then price came down to a 1 to 2. And there I would have taken a partial, or there I would taken a partial, or I would have closed out my trade here. But guys, I was looking for some higher prices for the morning. So when I saw this signature, I didn't take this trade, but when I saw this signature, knowing that I was looking for higher prices, I saw this low got taken off, this relative equal low got taken out, and we have this high, this low, which took out liquidity and a higher high. When I saw that, guys, my eyes immediately, when I saw this, my eyes went to here, the first fair value gap, price made when going to take out the liquidity down to form the breaker. So this would have been an inverted fair value gap. Price do not have to come to this inverted, but when I saw that price came to this inverted fair value gap, I knew, and then it rejected and started displacing higher. I knew that it was going to take out the highs of that area there. First these highs, to take out these highs, and then these highs at the top. So guys, if I had taken this trade, I didn't want to take any more trade because I already taken this portion of the trade. If I had a next account, I would have taken this trade. So when I saw this breaker, this high, low, higher high, came into this inverted fair value gap. 1 minute, and this place up. My eyes fell on this fair value gap. That was the next on in line. I didn't want to see it trade it to this one, and I was treating this one as a breakaway gap. And when price came into this, it actually displaced up and then came back down and rejected once more again, not coming to 50% of this fair value gap. I knew there was more momentum for bullish price to take out these highs. So guys, as you know, at 9:30, I was watching price. I wasn't in this trade. I was just looking at price from this point because I already bagged my profit for the morning. So this was the first fair value gap at 9:30. Price came down and it was supported. It did color outside the lines, but you'll see, as we see, price didn't want to go lower. So it stayed there a while. It stayed there a while. It stayed there a while. If I had to take this trade, I would have taken it on the fair value gap and put my stops about 50% of this order block. If I saw that price took out 50% of this order block, I know that we were going to the downside. So there I would have put in my stops at 50% of this order block and take this trade because, as you guys know, I told you guys that I was looking for a little higher prices to take out these highs and at least higher prices for the morning. So as you can see, price utilized this first fair value gap at 9:30 and shot up a bit and then broke down back, going to take out back these lows, and then after heading back up again. So guys, this was my trade breakdown. I will show you guys the executions for this trade. As you guys know, I'm breaking down my journey, so these are for me as well to look back on. Wow, guys, my internet is very slow. Wow, wow, wow. So guys, as you know, I'm going to show you guys my execution. Okay, guys, as I told you, guys, actually 5 contracts I took here. So as I told you guys, when price broke down with displacement, taking out these equal highs, and broke down with the market structure shift below these equal lows, I was anticipating lower prices. So I was looking at these as breakaway gaps, not sure that price would trade up to this fair value gap. I took my entry right here and rode it down, took out 4 contracts here, and I think I trailed my stop somewhere yes above these highs, and price came back and took me out here. So guys, this was a nice trade. This was about 30 something points, I think. Yes, 40 something, about 50 points trade. So that was a nice trade for me this morning. So I did not engage in this trade because I didn't want to give away my profits that I made for the morning. So guys, continue to follow my journey. Please like, subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section. Give me any little pointers that you have. You can give me. Guys, my main problem is over trading. I have to work on my psychology and we do not accept my losses. That is my main problem, to accept my losses. And when my trade is going in my direction, I cut it short. So this is what I need to work on. As far as I see, I have a working model. I see it print most of the time during the week. I see this model printing. I just have to work on over trading and accepting my loss. So guys, thanks again for watching.